Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. I'm Kevin, your guide to everything crypto and DeFi. And today we're going to look at Bitcoin price action. And is the bull run over? Should we be worried about it? Or is this an excellent buying opportunity? But before we begin, remember, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, we are all here to better our lives and make some money, right? I sincerely hope that over the last little bit you took profits, but maybe you didn't. I held on to too many of my altcoins. That's part of the game. But these aren't the times I choose to sell. These are the times I choose to reevaluate my portfolio, decide if I like my allocations. I personally felt like I had too large of a portfolio, so I've been selling positions and downsizing. But these aren't the times that I'm selling and getting out of the market. We are deep into the bull run, but it is not over yet, in my humble opinion. So in the next part of the video, we're going to talk about how we can benefit from downtrends in the market like the one occurring now. And this week has been one of the bloodiest weeks in crypto. But please take a moment to check out our webpage at Dad's DeFi and find me on X, CryptoZone1013. I'd love to talk with you all out there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see more of on this channel. But let's get back to talking about crypto. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are crashing. These are the times to be strong. Bitcoin has touched down as low as 77K. Ethereum is 1,800, probably 1,700. I haven't checked in a little bit. I'm not even gonna talk about what altcoins look like because it is blood on the streets today. So should you sell your altcoins? I don't know, I'm not a financial advisor. But I try my best never to sell into weakness, ever. And the times that I sell into weakness, that capital is now going to be allocated into something that I have a higher conviction in. Whether that be a spot position, a DeFi liquidity pool position, a lending position, whatever that may be. But right now, the cryptocurrency market is scared of the macro conditions. We're still technically in qualitative tightening, meaning the Fed is not putting a lot of money into the markets. Well, they don't put it into the market, but it ends up in the markets because our governments inflate the value of money away. But there just has not been enough liquidity around for a true altcoin season. And yeah, I got a massive amount of altcoins. I also have a much larger amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what lessons can we learn from this? Well, first and foremost, we should always have a strong core to our portfolio. I do. My core would be my Bitcoin position, my Ethereum position. From DeFi, that's my wide range ETH, USDC on Aerodrome. I have a Sol USDC that would be considered a core position, and my Sol lending position. All of my lending positions are core positions, but I've deleveraged those over the last week or so just because the market seems so bearish. But right before the market turns is usually when everyone is the most bearish, and that could be right now. I don't know, you don't know, no one here knows, but we can follow macro conditions. And I'm telling you this, if the Fed lowers interest rates and starts qualitative easing, altcoin season will explode. And I expect this over the next 6 to 12 months. This cycle has been taking a while, and I think it's trying many investors' patience. We need to make sure that our portfolios have the right allocations. We have done the research and we have true conviction in our altcoin plays. And finally, these need to be our decisions. I plan on adding to both my Bitcoin, my Solana a little bit, my SUI, my AVAX, my AERO, my injective, and my super positions. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I hope you are a little bit smarter from watching this video. Be careful out there. This has been bloody time in the crypto space, but stay strong out there. Hold those high conviction plays and be prepared to take profits during the next pumps. If you follow my channel, you know that I am an educator and mainly doing curriculum development and strictly with social studies, economics, history, sometimes a little bit of English. But I'm late because I had to replace a battery this morning in the car. And I was thinking, in these markets, we have to expect the unexpected. We had to do a lot of adjustments to our lending and liquidity positions, but those adjustments were just made recently. Now the bigger question is the correction over? I don't know, but last night we touched 76,000 and we bounced back up this morning to 81K. Now, will we regain the 200-week moving average, or is this just a test and we're gonna go right back down to the mid 70s? Our next support range sitting around 75K region. I don't like to say specific numbers, but area. And then our next one below that's all the way around 68, 69K. If we're going below that, I'm getting nervous. But if we're not, I believe, not financial advice, that the bull market is still on. But if we go down lower, altcoins are going to bleed even more than they have. So keep these things in mind when making decisions with your portfolio. I hope to give you more of an update in the next 48 hours. Check out our webpage at Dad's DeFi Space. Find me on X at CryptoZone1013. And let me know in the comments what you would like to see more videos about. And I hope you enjoy your Tuesday mornings. Peace.